I think ready na sila. Therefore, ready na kayo guys. Ipapatagal ko na kayo. Okay? Ready na kayo. 3, 2, 1! From the ground to the ground, we rise as one!
D-A-V-E-Y, Davey.
Ang Project One Lab. Ang Project One Ricky.
Hello everyone, I'm Project One Harry. Hello po, I'm Project One Calix.
Hello po, I'm Project One's Golden Magnet. Hello. Hello po, it's Rob and Marco. Hello po, I'm Carla. And we are Project One! Ayan po, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po. Baby, yes, sabihin ka.
First of all, we would like to thank everyone for coming to this event. Thank you so much, BTS! Idol namin matagal na. So very happy na naka-perform kami for BTS and for all the fans, for all the armies. Thank you Idol Studio PH and Robinsons Metro East for partnering with all the idol artists dito sa Pinas.
And wala na yung sabihin, message sa kanila wala. So before that, I think ready naman na sa next performance namin. After na lang. Sige. Go mo, social media.
If you wanna know more about Project One po, you can follow us on all our social media accounts at Project One OFC. And yan po.
And yun po, maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta. And I think we're ready na lang sa next performance namin. And sana magustuhan niyo po. Okay? Okay po.
Enjoy ba kayo guys? Di ba parang gusto ko na panoorin Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Ayan. So mag-ask muna ko ng questions just like any other. Since nasa event tayo ngayon ng BTS, ano mo nasabi niyo nag-perform kayo ngayon sa event, ganitong classic event? Ayan, sino pa gusto sumagot?
Ayun, masaya po as a fan po ng BTS. And, not really parang fan na sobrang fan, but like, I support them. And then, like, when I was like grade 7 po, parang kino-cover talaga namin yan. And then, kung nakikita niyo yung yung room namin sa, yung bahay ko sa Cavite po, full po siya ng mga merch ng BTS. Kaya, yun po. Thank you din po.
Okay, so sa ibang members naman, no, among the 7 members ng BTS, sino yung favorite nila and why? Ayun, Miss Universe question. Chares. Go, sino po pwede mag-answer? Sige po.
Ako po, ang favorite members ko po sa BTS is, sabi ko po, kung ang BTS may golden back name yung ang Project One po may golden back name Jason.
Ayun!